Hello and welcome to Getting Clean on the Prairies. In this video, I want to do a quick shout out to a local company called Blazing Star Wildflower Seed Company. This is a local company located in Saskatchewan, not too far from me. And this company carries and specializes in wildflower seeds, wildflower mixes for pollinators, and heirloom vegetable seeds that are native to Western Canada. I found their website last winter and ordered all these amazing seeds to grow in my garden this year. As you can see, they have beautiful packages that are very exciting to receive in the mail. So I just wanted to go through a couple of the things that I've recently harvested just to let you know how they turned out. This was the Siberian tomato that I grew, and as you can see, I have two beautiful ripe tomatoes ready to eat here. They are a determinate brand of tomato, and they have worked out well. And I will definitely probably grow them again. Because of frost, I had to harvest my aromas today, and I'm just waiting for them to ripen. So these are the Martinos. This is Russian kale that I had a great success with this early season. I got lots of harvest off of this plant. Used them in salads and green smoothies, and great lettuce that I will definitely grow again next year. My first time growing beets, and I tried these golden beets from Blazing Star that were super sweet and really good. These are some of the babies that I harvested earlier this year. Again, something that I will definitely put into my garden again next year. This is another thing that I'm excited to try, and this is a cantelope or muskmelon from Blazing Star, known as the Minnesota Midget. I just pulled it off the vine today and I'm excited to try it out. So remember, it's never too late to start planning for next year's garden, and I hope you will check out this great website. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to click on the goat to subscribe.